Shazia Mari Sahaba to move item number 3.
बहुत शुक्रिया स्पीकर साहब. Sir, I'd like to move for leave to introduce a bill further to amend the Elections Act 2017, the Elections Amendment Bill 2025.
The salient features जरा से बता दीजिए. Salient features
So would you?
चलने दें, नवीद साहब बताएंगे.
See, मैं बता सकती हूँ अगर आप नवीद
अच्छा,
साहब बता
नवीद
दें.
साहब कह रहे हैं कि ऑलरेडी हमने बताया हुआ है.
हमने आपको actually salient features explain किए थे, but it's for the consumption of the house also. नवीद साहब can explain.
जी नवीद साहब. नवीद का मतलब. जी.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is regarding some safeguards for the members on the same lines under Article 25, where all classes of people have to have same kinds of rights. So if certain classes of people have rights, then the parliamentarians have to have the same rights.
जी, Minister Parliamentary Affairs, do you oppose it?
No, he does not oppose it. He does.
Minister Parliamentary Affairs, please wake up. जी.
सर.
जी फरमाइए.
सर जरा काइंडली दोबारा रिपीट करेंगे. मैं देख रहा हूँ कॉलिंग अटेंशन नोटिस आपसे गुजारिश करूंगा जरा वो भी जल्दी टेकअप करवाएं.
इन्होंने आइटम नंबर 3 मूव किया है और उन्होंने पूछा है आपसे कि डू यू अपोज इट. उन्होंने सेलिएंट फीचर्स भी बता दिए हैं.
नो सर.
You don't oppose it? Now put the motion to the House. The question is that the leave to introduce a bill further to amend the Election Act 2017 Election Amendment Bill 2025 be granted. All those in favor of it may say aye. All those against it may say no. I think ayes have it. Leave to introduce the bill is granted. Ji Shazia Mari Sahaba, item number 4, move कीजिए.
Sir, I'd like to move for this bill to be introduced if leave is granted.
The bill in question stands introduced.